Hello again, it's time for Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English, and today we're looking at the sounds of British English. For example, A for cat, or A for mug. E for tea, mug of tea. So the sounds of English. Question, have you seen this before? Well, these are the sounds of English. They're not letters, they're not A, B, C, D, E, F, G. They are the sounds. For example, there's A for cat. There's A for mug. A mug of tea, E. So the sounds of English. E, A, A. Have a look down here. S and Z. Have you got clean hands? Did you wash your hands earlier? Okay, good. Clean fingers? Here we go. Put your hand here and take a deep breath and go S. Okay? Now, like a snake. S. Now try Z. Like a buzzy bee, yeah? Zzz. Can you feel the difference? Zzz. Zzz. Can you feel vibration on zzz? The sounds of English. Unvoiced, zzz. Voiced, zzz. English sounds, easy peasy. Have a good day. We'll see you next time and we'll practice some more. Bye bye.